In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a static page, meaning a page that displays predefined fixed information and does not use a database. A common example of a static page is the Our Story section on a marketplace website. This section tells the company's history, its values, and helps convey credibility to users. See the step-by-step. Create a page and name it Our Story section. Insert a box. Boxes are used to divide and organize the page into blocks and allow for the application of styles as a group. Inside the box, add a label. With this component, you can display text on the screen. Rename the label to Our Story. To center it within the box, set the presentation to 100% and select Center for text align. Add other labels with the desired content. Insert another box, and within it, add the static image component with a presentation of 83%. This component allows you to display predefined images on the screen that will not be stored in the database. Insert the desired image. Add the horizontal line component with a presentation of 100% at the top and bottom of the page. This line can be very useful for section separation within the page. You can also make the page responsive, which means it will automatically adjust to different screen sizes. Set the presentation of the boxes on the tablet to 100%. Reduce the presentation of the static image on the tablet to 75%. Click Run, and our page is ready to test. To view the application on different screen sizes, you will need to use Chrome Developer. In the video description, you will find a link to a tutorial that teaches how to use this tool. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.